There they are. Look at how beautiful they are. Oh my God. I did it again, folks. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight, I'm gonna make you another one of Mamma Gallo's amazing recipes. Tonight, we're gonna make beautiful, delicious stuffed mushrooms. They're fantastic. I can't wait to get started. Let's go. Okay, so here are our ingredients. We have our scooped out mushrooms. We have our finely chopped stems that we removed from the mushrooms. We have breadcrumbs, garlic, chopped pepper and carrot, chopped basil and parsley, black pepper, sea salt, chopped mozzarella, extra virgin olive oil. First off, my garlic. Just gonna sweat it a little bit. As you can see, it's doing right now. Starting to sweat. My carrots and peppers. That mix. And as you can see, it's starting to cook really nice there. Next, I'm gonna put in my stems, my mushroom stems. I'm gonna move them all around in here. Let them get to know each other. Add a drop more olive oil. Delicious. Now we're going to add a little salt and pepper. We'll add about a pinch. We'll add a pinch of salt. And we'll add a pinch of black pepper. Now we're going to slowly start to add our breadcrumbs. Okay, so as you can see, I've added the breadcrumbs and they're starting to brown now. This is perfect. This is the consistency I'm looking for and the color I'm looking for. So I'm going to take them off the fire now and place them here to cool. Okay, and one of the ingredients I forgot to tell you about, but I'll tell you now, after the breadcrumbs have cooled, you want to give a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Actually, not a little bit, be generous. We love our cheese. Now we're going to add our parsley and our basil. The reason I didn't add it earlier was because I didn't want to lose the fragrance of the parsley and the basil. I didn't want it to get cooked down. So there you have it, mixed in really nice. Okay, so we are going to now take a spoon, and we're going to begin stuffing our mushrooms. And it's very simple. You're going to take your ingredients here, place it in the mushroom, pat it down, nicely like that, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little piece or two of mozzarella in there. Put a piece or two of mozzarella in there, as you can see, or three. And place it in the pre-oiled pan. Okay? And go another one here. Stuff it right over the pan so anything that falls is not lost. Okay, a couple pieces of mozzarella. There you go. Get some more mozzarella on these guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them with aluminum foil. I'm going to place them in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Then I'll take them out and they should be ready. And here they go. Okay, they've been in the oven now for 30 minutes covered. I took them out. I took off the cover and I let them cook uncovered for another 10 minutes. There they are. Look at how beautiful they are. We're going to give it a little quick blessing. We got to give it a blessing with some fresh olive oil. Just a touch. There you go. And then something my father used to teach me. Now, you don't have to do this, but my father taught me. I love hot peppers. So I took some habaneros and I chopped them up really fine. And I take just a little bit of the oil. You don't even have to put any habanero in it, and I drizzle it over it like that. And the oil is already super spicy. Here we go. Now, mushrooms are one of my father's favorite foods. He loved mushrooms. Here we go, guys. Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Mamma Gallo's stuffed mushrooms. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, that looks fantastic. Look at that. How delicious that is. They're really still hot, so I don't want to burn myself. But let's go. Ready? Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. I did it again, folks. I did it again. Mamma Gallo's beautiful stuffed mushrooms. Guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this episode tonight, Mamma Gallo's stuffed mushrooms. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you all of Mama's great recipes. Please like and subscribe. And the most important thing, folks, I love you, Mama. Salute, 100 anni.